Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. I'm going to click on here now. After you open up your Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Then go ahead and click on share with a partner. And this is going to pump up right here. Then here, your partner can only see photo you have backup. So here, you need to make sure you back up your Google Photo if you have not back up yet. Or better still, you can select some of the photo from your backup so far. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Make sure you click on choose photo to share. Then only photo contains selected people. Include content from other Android device. So right here, what you need to do is to choose any options that you want to do right here. In this tutorial, I'm going to choose only photo contains selected people. So here we go. You can select as many as possible photo right here. So I'm going to select this. I'm selecting this, and I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this. Once you select all the photo you want to share with a partner, click on done right here, and you have them right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on share partner. Enter your partner email address right here. Select the partner email address. Once you enter partner email address, next thing you need to do is to go ahead. So click on confirm. Send and receive great quality photo. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.